Jesus. He's gonna try and wheelie it with a string.
Look at this dude.
We're gonna explore this town. Hopefully not get into too much trouble. But me and my cousin, that can't be promised. It is currently 11:20 at night. He said he might be here between 3 and 4 a.m. That gives me approximately 4 to 5 hours to sleep. Yeah. Let me show you the setup. We got his bike right there, and then you got my bad boy.
Wait, does she have clutch?
Yes.
Holy shit,
Are you serious? Exactly, I don't want you trying to fuck up my shit. Alright, bro.
Shut up, Andy.
I'm just dead ass.
Wasn't right here, I wouldn't be stalling. I'm worried about shooting off the fucking...
Why don't this thing got compression?
Huh?
How do you start this mug?
Bro, I don't even want to ride this no more.
Huh?
Let me get on that one.
Why?
Cuz, let me see. I just want to get it started real quick.
I want to ride it.
Okay, you can ride it.
You gotta kick her like a man.
6.5 hours later.
This is nice, bro.
Dumbass should have put my fucking throttle cable on, bro.
The switch was off.
So it's in reverse. This is reverse then. What am I supposed to do?
Drive it from the side.
With the fucking hand. Stop. I saw where it's fucked up. It's fucked up on both ends, so this is the only way we'll be able to ride it.
Like this?
Yeah, the way that it is.
It's weird. gonna get our asses chewed out.
Why?
We just went in their field.
Yeah, probably.
I had to let her eat though.
Well, I'll tell you something. Snapped on me.
This one or that one?
No, not that one. Dude, that's my family. Oh, yeah, I think the one that we just went through up at the end of the street.
Yeah?
It's my family's too. That's where we throw off fireworks every year.
Oh. talk about respect. Nothing. Thank you, Lord. Got back from our first little ride out, you know, something slight. Absolutely covered in mud though, let me tell you. Fuck. I was letting her eat, dog. And then you got Chase over here. He ain't got a lick and nothing on him.
Nothing.
Yeah, let's get his bike.
His bike keeps it pretty clean.
His bike looks like it came right off the showroom floor.
Hey, no, the underside gets it.
Yeah.
Look, film the other side.
Bro, ain't shit down there, bro.
That's crazy. There was a minute ago. She got so shook it had to come off.
So hold on. Before we do all that, explain to the people what we got going on here.
So look, cable snapped off from back in the top, running up to your yang yang. So we went ahead and fully snapped it off. Tied the string on. We might reinforce that just to make sure it doesn't pop off while we're driving.
Would you say that this could have been preventable?
No.
This isn't preventable? Not even if you would have put on maybe, say, like a new throttle cable?
I paid my mechanic to do one thing. I told him I'd give him $50 to do one thing. He did another. I still gave him $50
He's gonna try and wheelie it with a string.
Look at this dude.
Brakes my stator all the way out here, bro. Thank you, Lord. way. No fucking way. No shot. Not what I expected to happen today. It's hot as fuck. My chain broke.
I can see that. Dude, I was just telling myself we're gonna get out here and I'm gonna have to call Bean for the rescue.
No, you can just push me. Ah, damn it. Yeah, I'm ready.
Get on.
I'm on.
Oh,
You gotta just lock your leg.
dude, it's hard with this shit that I gotta do on
You
this bike.
wanna trade? You wanna try and trade?
No, hold on. Right now, yeah, in first.
Alright, we're about to be live on the scene here. We got a massive fire. What looks like a massive fire here. I wonder what's going on here. We're gonna go inspect. We're feeling pretty mighty today, so we're feeling like we might have to put something out. And me, myself, I feel like as somebody that's witnessed something like this perhaps, this might be something I need to deal with. But here we go, here we are. Alright. Holy shit!
Holy fuck!
Holy shit! Roll down your window. Holy shit.
Bro, that's sad. Oh, that's nobody's house, that's abandoned. We're gonna buck around.
Yeah, bust a Yui.
Somebody did that.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, everybody's doing the same shit, dog. Look, everybody's doing the same shit. I'm out here with this fucking camera. Look at this shit. Yes, sir.
He was about to turn right, too.
Yeah. What a badass. Alright, bro.
He total fucking...
Holy shit. Jesus. Dude, you can feel the heat.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
We gotta go. We witnessed it. We'll see it on the news later.